One and only. Chef.
Here we go, here we go. Now this is the minimum I can do for you guys. Okay. How do you feel? Sleepy? Oh, tell me the truth. You feel sleepy? No. Allez, let's see this. Okay. You feel like okay, I'm gonna show you something. If you don't feel sleepy, you can do this. Allez, everybody up, up, let's go. Everybody up. Everybody up. I know it's my chef. Hello, how are you? Okay. Now, what we should do for waking up everybody? We have to make attention, right? If we sleep like this all the time, we will not win. Okay, for make attention. So I want you, because I respect you, because I want you to be one of the best chefs, to check what I'm going to do today. Okay? Now we start. Hand on the head. Here we go. Everyone. Here two. Everyone. Here two. Here we go. Here we go. Here two. We put some music, everyone. It was my friend's recipe. Here we go. And then you can sit down. Okay. Et who knows this cheese? Ah, vous avez l'air de caméraman? Who knows this cheese? Caviar? Okay, caviar. If the caviar smells like this, I'm going to be fired from my hotel. Huh? This is not caviar, this is the... Okay, voilà, there. Voilà. This is one of the best cheese from Lactalis. We call this camembert. Repeat after me. Camembert. Alright, we all can go to France, to Nice. Okay, we can use like a frisbee. Okay, what's the camembert? Okay, camembert is inside, is like this. Right? You, the first time? Yes? Who is yes? No way. Oh, I have to make you try a little bit camembert. I have 1 for 100. Are you crazy or what? I have 1 camembert. Okay, camembert actually is tastes a little bit strong, like a cheese, because it's the crust, you know. And it's this camembert. Could you give me back my frisbee? This camembert, Languedoc. Thank you very much. I'm sorry. Thank you. Do you want to stay with me? Come with you. Come with me. Ah oui, the lucky man, the lucky man. Okay, so the lucky man normally he should have the right to try and to tell the truth. All right. That's why I don't eat too much pizza. Eat the Lactalis camembert. Here we go. How did it smell? How did it smell? Very strong. Give him a micro. Maybe we will love it. And now, let's go. Close your eyes. Don't swallow, huh? Smash it.
There's a mic.
Thank you. How is it? Strange? Well, good. It's good. Oh, I love you so much. But smell your finger. Okay, now, thank you very much. But stay around me. You know, I need a boss right now. This camembert who look like Batman, exactly. This camembert who look like Batman. Actually, if you eat like this and you have a date with your girlfriend, you're dead. What do you eat? You see this commercial on the TV? You see the commercial on the TV? It's the same now. Show me. Whoa! Whoa! Kill! Okay, I cannot be your date tonight. But with the recipe of Chef David Senia, we're gonna add a little bit of. Very good. You want to be on stage? We're gonna add a little bit of. There we go. And we're gonna add a little bit of sugar. Okay. And with this, definitely, we're gonna add a little bit of cognac. You're not far. A little bit of Calvados. Okay? Are you ready? A little bit sleepy. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, are you ready? Yes! Here we go! So we start. Okay. I feel good what I say. This is my life, you know. Okay, so what we do for... Do you know how to peel an apple? Yes. Do you know? but I have the right candidates there. I'm going to teach you. Alors, first of all, you're going to take the apple and we're going to cut up the back. We're going to take a little bit the top, right? And now I'm going to follow, right? The apple. It looks simple, right? Let's take another apple. Here we go. Be careful, I don't have any insurance. Oh my God, there. There. Don't cut yourself, I'm going to be fired. Very good, my friend, very good. Lucky we have only 2 apples. Thank you. Fantastic. What's happened when we stress in the kitchen, do you know? And what's happened when you have a knife in your hand? It's not friend, okay? So every time when you're in the kitchen with a knife, don't stress, let's be relaxed and enjoy what you're going to do. So I'm going to take... Sorry. Thank you, there's only one, A pen. Okay, I'm going to saute my apple. I'm going to cut my, of course, my apple in a small slice. Take my Pac-Man like this for the meantime, right? Enjoy it. Now what? Is this smell? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, if you don't wash your finger, you're going to smell a long time. So tonight, before you see your girlfriend, please wash your hand. Yeah, we all have this problem, like, you know, how do you call this? The detail, actually. So I make it a little bit faster. Until now, do you know that cheese, you can eat cheese with some fruit, right? Yes, you can eat with dry fruit. Normally, this is what you eat inside the... You see what I'm doing? My hands are clean. Because sometimes it can be dirty, you know. And there are no question of lying, huh? Look at this. Very clean. Very smelly of cheese. Okay, what I'm going to do, I want to do it like... I have different knives, right? I want to do it like a Japanese. Or like a French. I want to make some big slices, definitely, because I want to caramelize and I don't want to burn. I remove the seed from inside. This is very easy recipe, you know. I can talk when I'm working, and your job is going to be like this. No, just... Okay, alors let's start. I never work with this one. Alors the difficulty with the difficulty, well, I'm going to take mine because I have mine actually. The difficulty with the induction, it is you don't see the flame, right? So you don't know if it's working or not working. How can we know? Eh bien, we're going to see in 5 minutes. Okay, I have all my apple. My garbage is there. I'm going to put my apple inside. And I'm going to put a little bit of... Oh yeah, I'm the magic chef. And there I'm going to do like the... You look like Jimmy Oliver, right? Yes, I'm talking about this. Exactly Jimmy Oliver. But I'm French. And the pan is still not working. So I'm going to put everything maximum. We're going to see in 5 seconds. Okay, I'm going to use butter because I stopped the diet. I'm losing too much weight. I lost 20 kilos. It's working. Definitely, I put full power, so I have to negotiate that I don't want to make the burr burning, right? Do you understand my French accent, by the way?
Yes, we do.
Okay, oui. because sometimes I don't understand myself. Okay, my butter is singing, we say. What is singing is... Do you see it? Do you hear it? can hear it. We have a mic?
Yes.
Allez! Here you go. We put the apple inside, okay? Alors now, every people love to do this. Right? And put everywhere, right? Okay. So if I have a spoon, normally I will do like this, but because I don't have a spoon, I will do like this one. But it's quite difficult because it's a caramel, so I will try to find a spoon somewhere. God, help me. God is coming. Thank you, God. My God from India. I have plenty of God, but this one is from India. Don't forget. Who is smoking there? Because I don't smoke. Who is smoking? Don't lie to me, eh? You? Give me matches. I need matches. Or lighter. Don't give to somebody else and don't tell to your professor. Okay? Bring the lighter.
Yeah, bring it up here if you got a lighter or some matches.
Not the sexy lighter that everybody's gonna love, huh? Very good, very good. Very good. Thank you. You should stop smoking, right? It's not good for us. Okay, I'm gonna put the vanilla, but in the same time, my assistant, whose the name is Andrew. David. What? I like it, bro. The hand, only the hand. Watch the hand. So I'm gonna put a little bit of vanilla before my apple is gonna be a little bit burning. So I open the vanilla like everybody know. Okay, I open the vanilla and now Andrew say, oh, it smells good. Oh, Andrew. You don't heard, I heard what he said. Smell like David. Not after work, after shower. Okay, so now, my God spoon. Okay, I put the vanilla on it. Wow. There I have more than a t-shirt on the cheese, right? Vanilla apple is different than Pat Smelly, right? Okay. But there, because we are magician, Andrew, let's put like the magician spoon and just step like this. Okay, and I have to take the stick, me too. Let's see. Let's be a magic cook. 1, 2, 3. Let's be a magic cook. Okay. I hope he's going to listen to us. Okay, so we continue like this. But because we have no more like 5 years old, we can drink a little bit alcohol, you know. You drink alcohol, Andrew? Yeah. Who's drinking alcohol there?
Who drinks alcohol?
Sure, me too, I never drink, you know. Yeah, just yesterday and before yesterday. I don't know what's happened to me. My life changed. Okay, so I cut it. Or if I have like something with flame, okay? Do you see? Do you see me? Oh, look at this. Oh,
beautiful.
It's better in the TV than there. Huh? Tell me something. Okay, I'm gonna put like a little bit of Calvados. You know what's come from the Calvados? Eh no. Calvados is from the region of Calvados, but it's it can happen. Me too, I've been to France, but never been to Calvados. So I put my Calvados inside. And be careful now, attention! Okay, and then we flambe my apple. Alors if you do this with your girlfriend, she's gonna say, wow, Andrew, you're magic. Right? Anyway, I do this one time with a girlfriend and she said, David, you chef. That's why I choose to be a chef, not to be I choose to be a chef because the lady love it. I take the best plate that I have, okay, this is the best plate. There I have the Calvados. If I have not in diet, but today I'm in diet, I will put a little bit of cream. And I will put this inside, right? There, ladies and gentlemen, I can cut my piece of camembert from, there it is, L'Anquelot of Lactalis. Do you remember this name? And can you repeat after me? L'Anquelot from Lactalis. Okay, we go a little bit faster. L'Anquelot from Lactalis. Okay, we have to just think like you say it perfect. And I will cut a little bit the camembert like this, and believe me, and just Andrew will have the chance to try it. It's hot there, huh? I know. Okay. Sorry. Don't be jealous, so he's only the one who's coming there. So I'm gonna make him trying, and honestly, he will tell you what is this. Okay. Okay? And because I'm a creative chef, it's gonna be the plate today. Voila, voila, Andrew, it was for you. And this is the first dish I do for you, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. There we go. There we go. Next dish. Are you ready for the next dish? Thank you, Andrew. Thank you. You can go and eat and tell them, hey, you don't have. Okay, let's continue. Don't go to take a break, eh? Because after, you'll be happy. Bon, okay. Adjust a little bit. Before doing whatsoever, you have to clean a little bit your mess in the kitchen. But today my commis are not there. We are busy. You know where I work?
Capella!
Yeah! How do you know it? No, you don't know because I give it with the cut. No, because you come to Capella, right? And I remember you. And you are not working. You know, I'm waiting for you and I have a lot of job. So, definitely I work in Capella. Uno, what is Capella? Sentosa. Okay. Is it a brand name for shoes? No, it's an hotel. 5-star. Okay, maybe. So we go. Attention, we go. So the Pac-Man. Whoa, 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 whoa. Game over, okay? Is it good? Huh? Why? You just looking at me and you cannot do something else? Andrew! Yeah, I know. Put everything in you. Not the box, huh? Don't put the box in the mouth. Here we go. So now we're gonna go for President. President. Repeat after me. President.
President.
Very good. What's happening? What's make you laugh? The big president? No, president. Is the president is the goat cheese from Lactalis again. Who like goat cheese?
Goat cheese lovers, put your hand up.
Put your hand up. Allez, put your hand up. Put your hand. Who is the president? Okay, President goat cheese. Alors, President goat cheese, how do you eat generally, ladies and gentlemen? Quickly, let's answer because I'm talking a lot and I'm going to be late. You eat with?
Biscuits.
Biscuit, yes. Because what you're looking at, some crispiness, right? Very good, it's exactly. So, my president, you want some water? So my president, I'm going to make it like a croqueta. You know croqueta? Woo, my president is he's a fresh president. He's not old president, he's a young president. Voilà. Go the president inside the box. Me too. Maybe we need some water. I don't know. Alors, do you see the final dish there actually? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
Would you like water? Chef.
Yes. Oh, nice for my friend.
Oh.
Andrew, is it good? Huh? Wow.
Oh.
Give him micro. He talked to me. Give him
Oh,
micro.
he said so. Oh. Andrew.
Oh, Andrew.
Très bien.
Talk to me like this.
Talk to him. Mickey Moulin. Say it again.
C'est très bon.
All right. So now I have to make like from the goat cheese. Okay. I want to make a croqueta. You know what is a croqueta? It's a ball, right? So for this I need to have like some thin paper that I don't have, but I have like idea. I have some idea, some spoon. In the same time, you know, I can work, talk, and make the recipe. So if you have any question, please go. Because I know today is like the day that you see some recipe, but it's the day too you want to know if you want to be like a chef like me, or chef like Yannick Aleno, or chef like, you have different kind of chef, right? So go for the question. I'm preparing everything, the camera. You have to be multitask actually when you're working, you know? If you are like a horse or like a car, whatever, you just do like this, and you don't see Andrew, and you don't see you, you will not even never work. Because when you are in the kitchen, definitely, you have to play with the garde-manger, the fish section, the meat section, the pastry. You understand? It's like you cannot stay in one section. So I'm ready for you today to show you I can make recipe, talk to you in the same time to continue in the recipe. Do you have any question? Even the naughty question, I accept you. Okay. Whatever you want.
Any questions while chef is preparing the president's cheese?
Très bien.
No, très bien.
You want to be like me, a funny chef? How can you be like me? Enjoy life. Enjoy life like this. You know, we are not pilot of airplane, us. We are not chirurgy for a kid or whatsoever. We are just a chef. Some of the chefs, they think they are like king of the world.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
And some of the chefs, they think like
tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
No? Let's go for the cheese. What is this? My president? I massage my president. Yes, I massage my president because I love my president. My president from? Lactalis! Ah! My president from Lactalis. Okay, my president from Lactalis, I will put inside in order to make it crispy and to make like a croqueta, I'm going to put inside the egg yolk. Fantastic. Only one following. Thank you. Who are you? I'm too sorry. So I'm going to put my president inside the egg yolk like this, okay? And just make sure all my president is full of egg yolk, and I'm going to open the bread gram with that. Because today, instead of to have some biscuit, like Monsieur just said, he was very right, I'm going to make with some bread gram. Oh, I put my president inside. Easy, right? The first recipe was easy, the second recipe is even more easy. And now that I have my... Whoop. Whoop. Are you seeing the president?
You can see the president very
The
clearly.
president feels very crispy now. I will take a pan. Alors, you know what? Because I don't have... I have really to move my ass. You know what? I'm going to go quickly. If you have any question, you call me, whatever. And I put my president inside the pan. My boss, how are you doing it? Third recipe. People fast. Third recipe. Hoopla. My pan is working right now. I guess so. My pan is working. This is the same pan when I have sugar, vanilla, and apple. Why not? I will put my crispy. Why not? Who is the law with the family this? Nobody, right? And Andrew? So we'll put this one when my oil is hot. When my oil is hot. They make me nervous. What can I do? Andrew, thank you. Okay, is it hot? So, and I'm starting the number 3 recipe. Who made 3 recipes this afternoon? Yeah, I love you. You know why I make 3 recipes? Because I love you too. Andrew. Okay, number 3 recipe. My pan, is it hot? Not yet. What the heck? What? No. What's happening? The lighter is still there, huh? Okay, there. Okay. Number 3. Number 3, I love everything what is... I love like the cheese what is melting. You too? Yes, it's true? How do you make cheese melting? Because if you make like, you make a raclette, you know what is a raclette? Hello,
Raclette with cheese.
Hello, do you know what is a raclette? Raclette. Okay, so let me drink something. Raclette is the melting cheese we have in France. This is not working anymore. Sorry. The raclette is the melting cheese that we have in the mountain of France. Okay? So you have like a salamander. You know what is a salamander? Okay, you put the cheese on the salamander and the cheese will... I tried to put myself in the salamander to lose weight, it never worked. I get burned, I go to the hospital. So don't do this. Don't do this at home. Do this in your kitchen. So tomorrow you're going to go to your school. Hey, I want to lose weight. Okay, another cheese from Lactalis, from President, is called Comté. Repeat after me, Comté. From Lactalis. Yeah, you're wonderful, man. We're going to make money together. Hey, it's not working, this one. I don't know what happened, so I'm going to change the... Yeah, I want to try this. I'm going to try everything. I need a technician, please. Some technicians, it's fine. Okay, he was working before. Okay, the Comté is there, right? This is, you know what it is? Roti prata.
Roti prata.
Is it roti prata? It's not roti prata. Ah, oui. For me to help you? Okay. No, this is pâte à brique. Pâte à brique. Pâte à brique is a... How can we translate? Chef Edmond, are you there? How can you translate pâte à brique? If the Chef Edmond is there,
Yes.
my very long friend. Is it working?
Where are you,
It's
chef?
not working, right?
Edmund.
Okay.
Actually, is the brick dough. We call it a very thin pastry dough, which is usually used in the French kitchen.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Chef Edmond. My assistant is... It's not working anymore. Okay, it's not working. Yeah, it's another pan there. But now I can remove the oil first. So I take the best assistant I have in the world. She just put everywhere. And you should not... I know. Okay, I continue. The brick dough. Now everybody know, right? Okay. The brick dough, if I put my cheese inside, I could do a samosa. You know what is samosa? Exactly. Okay, so we're gonna do like a samosa today. I'm gonna cut. So I'm gonna put the president on the side, and we're gonna pray that the machine is gonna work. Okay. So I'm gonna take like my bowl. I take a little bit of my president Comté. I cut it inside, simple like this. Let's go quick. I'm gonna be. So I put this one there, and I like to have some onion and some coriander. It's very nice. Okay, so there is working, no? Okay. I don't know. Okay. Let's go like this. Tac, tac. It's working there. Hallelujah. You're wonderful. You want a piece of cheese?
That's a great pickup line. Okay, I'll write that down.
She want to try, huh?
I will write
Okay,
that down.
so I'm gonna put some onion confit. Who know what is onion confit? Quickly. Oh, it's working. She's a goddess. Okay, I'm gonna put the Mr. President inside. How do you know it's very hot? Because I see some singing. No, it's no more singing. Now it's smoking.
Smoke.
Okay, so I'm gonna put like the president inside. Voila, and I'm gonna rock. In the same time, I'm gonna take the best salad I have in the world, the salad from my garden. This is a little bit lying because I don't have garden. Okay, this is like very strong, so you have to be careful that it's not too strong. Okay, so you have to reduce the timing. And I'm gonna do the same like a nest. Voila, voila, Mr. President. He's cooking, Mr. President. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the salad. Okay, like a small nest, like a beautiful nest, because Mr. President looks like an egg. Right? And Mr. President is roasting. Mr. President, I remember you, is the president, is the coaches for Mr. Lactalis. Huh? You don't forget this, right? Oh, you don't help me there. So I'm getting back to my Comté with the roti plata. Huh? Oh, yeah, roti plata. You know what I mean? So I put some onion confit in my Comté up inside. Fantastic. I will put some coriander inside. Right? Stay with me. Coriander inside. Tac, tac, tac. And we don't add the sweetness of the onion. We give like the balance between the saltiness of the Comté. Okay? I take the best spoons there. Up, up, up. I'm moving, are you? Voila. Voila. Mr. President, you see Mr. President? I do 2 recipes now. Can you follow me?
Yes.
Yes, the only one. Alright. Now Mr. President is there. Now I put this one there on the middle. Okay? And I want to make like what did I say? The samosa, right? Yeah, sometimes, you know, I'm just forgetting what I said. Okay? And I put my cheese there. You see me? Okay? I'm doing there. I'm doing there. Voila. I'm doing there. Okay? I'm just following the triangular, right? Okay? At the end, if I have a little bit of eggs, yes, I have a little bit of eggs. With my finger, you don't have to watch this. You don't watch it, no? Okay, and I close my president there, okay? I just get it. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so now, yep, there we have my president. I put my president on the top. I don't forget to put, if I want, a little bit of, if I'm not in diet like me, Andrew, I listen to your voice now. Oh, President on the floor. President don't want to stay. I put a little bit dressing with apple dressing, just on the top like this, up. If I want to put some hazelnut, it will be walnut, it will be even more excellent. And I have, definitely. If I want to put some shallot, I can put some shallot, it will be like the crispiness. And I have a very nice dish I can do for my girlfriend one more time without like she ate me or she tell me, oh, you smell very bad. Okay? This was the number 2 dish. Can you? Number 2.
Second dish done.
And number 3 is almost finished because I already have a samosa, right? So now the samosa, I use the same oil. I put inside the number 3. And now my plate is working again. And this one, I could serve with aperitif just like this. In aperitif, you will serve just like this, the crispiness and the cheese melting, it would be fantastic. During, I'm going to ask you, if you have more questions, he's going to cook. But it was easy to make 3. What? No, yeah? Alors, okay, do you have more questions for this?
Any other questions for chef?
For chef?
So
what is
far,
my
so
name, by the way? Do you know what is my name?
Chef David.
Okay. David is for a friend and for the press is Chef David Senior. So I'm going to use it, this one like this. I wish I can do a lot for you. You can try because it's so simple dish and you can make it at home easily. But unfortunately, we run out of time. So, do you have any question? No? Okay, do you feel energizing and tired like I am? No, huh? Only me, right? Okay, but you know, cooking, at the end of the service, you should be tired. If you're not tired, that means you don't give any passion. If you don't give any passion, go back home and sleep. Come back when you have like energy, when you want to make it happen. All these guys there, they're coming today, all these chefs, they're coming today not from give you a lesson like Papa or Mama or Grandmother to tell you, hey, you know, you should work because you're going to do nothing in your life, you're not going to work with money. I was young, they tell me the same, you know. But I decide one day when I wake up, I say, okay, man, I want to do something, like I want to do something from Andros Sujan, and I want to be proud about like what I'm doing. And because I put my energy, because this is nothing, this is a simple recipe, but I keep your attention, because I give you my energy. Do you feel my energy? Yes. Me too. Just right now. Thank you very much to follow me.